Hi everyone, I'm opening Creo and in Creo I will set working directory first. For setting working directory, you wanna click on open. After clicking on open, you wanna select one folder and right click on it. In that you can set working directory. After that, open. Click on open and cancel. After cancel, open new. Part name was 1 and I will keep in part solid. So you can see part solid. So click on OK. After clicking on OK, INLBS was inches. So bottom MMNS was M in millimeter. So I will click MMNS part solid. After that I will hide planes and clicking on shaded with edges for nice visualization. So after that I will click on print plane and click on extrude. In extrude I will select one circle. In circle I will keep 50 diameter. After 50 diameter I will click on OK. After that I will show you in 3D view. In 3D view you can see 3D view. After that I will keep 100 length of the circle. That lines was plane, so I will keep symmetry and this is was up to surface. I will keep in blind. So you can use blind of that surface. You want to extrude on that surface or this surface. So I will keep in symmetry. So finally I will use only blind. You can see in options that blind 1 and blind 2. In blind 2 you wanna add material or remove material or reduce material. So you can see I will keep only blind 1. So you can click add taper. Taper is an angular material extrude. So you can see it's removing material in angle or adding material in angle like taper. After that I am clicking OK. I am selecting one face and clicking on extrude. This is extrude 2. In extrude 2 I draw one circle of 25 diameter. After that I will click OK. So you can add material or remove material. You can highlighting the material icon removing. So clicking on arrows you can add material and remove material. This was up to next. So in up to next you can see the hole was through from that surface to this surface. So you can use through also. So this is through and bottom one is up to surface. So you can see selected surface, removed material from selected surface, and I will keep blind. In that blind I will keep 50 length. So you can see metal was removed only 50 length. After that you wanna remove outer side material. I will show you. You can remove outside material and keep material inside. So this is the removing outer material arrow. So you can keep up to next for through material removing. You can use through also for that. After that I will click on thickness. In thickness it is 0.35, so I will keep 2. So you can see this is the remove material of thickness. So I don't want a thickness, I don't want outer side, I will keep inside. Inner diameter removal. After that I will click on same face for extrude 3. So clicking on extrude on same face you can see this was material this was reference plane. A viewing of reference, that icon was used. I will draw one circle. In that I will keep 10 diameter. Click on OK. So I will keep up to surface. I am clicking on surface. You can see material was removed up to surface only. I will show bottom also, the end one, that is also up to surface. By clicking on surface you can add material or remove material. By clicking on surface, that is up to surface. After that I wanna remove through. So that problem is meaning of it not removing material, because the arrow was displaying outer side. So you can see arrow of pink color highlighted. So I click on arrow, clicking blind or clicking arrow inner side. So I will keep up to next for removing material. You can see whole material was removed. So you can use through also for removing through material. You can see extrude was successfully explained. So I will think I am explained correctly. So you can do like, share and subscribe. And after subscribing you will show one bell icon. So click on that icon. After that if you have any doubt, you want to comment below.